Very importantly, on the Bitcoin 1 day chart, this very area is an important level of support, and market has been in this very region for some time now. So a very important level that I talked about you need to watch is this very area of support, because a breakout from this very point is going to send the market to the downside, and that is what I'll be talking about in today's video, whether you should be expecting that breakout or you should wait. And also on apps, okay, right here I have given a signal in the premium signal group, and that the market is going to come down into this very area, and we've taken the signal within this very zone right here. And very importantly, is this market going to come back down, or we're going to see the market come back down a little bit and then move to the upside? We'll be talking about that as well. And also on ETH, all of these and many more in today's analysis. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. On the Bitcoin 1 day chart, you see after this divergence, market begin to come back to the downside, and market is playing out as expected right now. But one important thing we need to also note is that we are seeing reduced momentum on the chart. So there is a reduced momentum at this very point right now to the downside, and that reduced momentum is very significant on the MACD histogram. So if you look at it, market broke out to the downside on this very area, the first histogram. We have the second, third, and the fourth histogram to the downside was very bearish, and right now there is a reduced momentum. You see the color of these have reduced compared to this. Okay, so this means that momentum is reducing from the downside. Okay, so the bears are getting weak. Now that does not mean that you should just take a long position to the upside, that market is going to go up. No, that is not what it means. What it means is that you should wait this period. So right now, what it means is that market have capacity of just moving into this very point of support. So for a breakout to happen, then that means momentum have to increase again on the MACD histogram. And as you know, you don't follow indicator to trade, rather you use indicator as a confirmation. So what I am looking at right now is this very chart right here. You see the market move downward, and you see market retrace. So there will be a continuation to the downside, and a breakout on this level is going to send the market into this very area of 36 and 37 $38,000 at this very point, because this is a very important support where the market move from in the past. So this is very important right now on this very 1 day chart. I am still expecting that market should drop down into this very point of support, and a breakout here is going to send us back into this area. That means it is still also good to look for short opportunity and not buy the market yet, because the market is going to still come back to the downside. This is my own personal directional bias according to this analysis. And on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, look at this. You see market come back down a little bit. I told you that even the market come to the upside, which is what I was expecting, the market is going to move up, and exactly I was expecting the market to move a little bit into this very point if you watch one of my videos, but market did not really get into this area. Right now market stop at this very point and then a little move to the downside. What I am expecting right now is market to continue back to the downside. Okay, so look for short opportunity. Even though you see the market move upward, that movement will not going to last long. We're going to see the market come back down. This is my own personal directional bias. I am looking at shorting the market and not buying the market, because if you look at the buy momentum from here, it is very poor, it's very low. So there is no strength in the bulls. That means we should look for short opportunity rather than buying the market. So even though you see the market to move from here upward, there is a tendency, a very high one, that the market is going to say come back to the downside on Bitcoin 4-hour chart. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now. And the reason is because so that you don't get caught on the wrong side of the market, because it will be very bad for you to be caught on the wrong side of the market. Now, trading is risky, we all know that, but when you don't do proper technical analysis and know the proper direction of the market, maybe 90 to 80% of the time, which give you a high probability of winning, is very, very important. So always take knowing when market is going to move, that is at the end of retracement, into consideration before taking trades. So from here, I am expecting that this market come back down regardless. Even if we see the market to move upward, market is still going to sell because of this massive sell-off right here. These people that move the market right down, that is the sellers that move the market all the way from here to the downside, they are still in the market because there is no enough strength in the bulls at this very point. Because if the bulls were very, very much in the market, they could have moved the market aggressively at this very point. And we will know from the chart when the bulls comes into the market with aggressive momentum. So this is what you must have to watch right now on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And on the ETH chart, one thing very important I talked to you about is ETH moving to the upside. And in one of my videos, I told you that the retracement have not ended yet. You see the market move up a little bit and then come back down. This was the end of retracement before market moved to the upside. And I also made mention of the fact that the market is not going to create a new high, that this should be your target. Okay, market come back to the upside a little bit, not coming into this level exactly as predicted, but there was a movement to the upside significantly from this very point upward. And right now, market is coming back down. So this ETH chart have capacity of moving to the upside a little bit other than Bitcoin. So expect the market to move upward. But on ETH, look for short opportunity right now because of this failure of the market to make a move up to where the market make a move into in the last move at this very point. So what you need to expect right now on ETH is to look for short opportunity as well. So market move up a little bit, it will give you a nice short opportunity at this very area for the market to come back to the downside. And your first target is this very point of support, and your second target is this very point we have spiked from right at this very point of $2,411. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now. So for ETH, even though market move up a little bit, short opportunity will be a nice thing to do right now on the ETH chart. And on this very ARB/USDT chart, if you look at this, market move all the way from here upward, come back down, and then create an equal move at this very point. So something like a double top formation, and the market come back to the downside. You see, this very move is the end of retracement of this very impulsive move to the upside, and market move a little bit, could not create any new high and then come back to the downside. But we've not seen any new low lower than this previous low at this very point. What I am expecting right now on this very chart is this market to come back to the downside. That is my expectation. Market should come back down. That is what I am expecting right now. And like I said in the intro of this video, I have already given a signal for the market to come back to the downside in the premium signal group, because this is what I am expecting right now on the ARB/USDT 4-hour chart. Market should come back to the downside, and for us to see market move upward, there must be a breakout on this level of resistance. So for market to move up, there must be a breakout here with strong momentum in the bulls to the upside. This will signal us for a buy opportunity. For now, market is going to come back to the downside. And on Ordi chart, if you look at Ordi right here, it has been making series of move at this very point, which makes this very area to be a strong resistance. So strong resistance at this very point, market rejection to the downside. And what this means is that market have capacity of breaking this level to the upside, because if you look at it very well, you see the market was moving upward. Okay, so it was also creating higher lows but no higher high. So if you look at this very point from here upward, market is making this very move right now, and this is a triangular pattern. So this triangular pattern have capacity of breaking to either side. So I am expecting a breakout on the either side of the market right now on Ordi. So from here where the market is right now, so either the market break on the resistance at this very point, and then if we see a breakout on the resistance right here, then that means market is going to continue to buy upward. And if we see a breakout on the support line at this very point, then market is going to sell downward. And the target for this very analysis on this very chart is this very point right here. So a breakout here is going to send Ordi into the 65 and 62 dollars. So the 65 and 62 dollars is the target if we see a breakout on the support. And if we see a breakout on the resistance, expect the market to move into this very point of 86 and this very area of $88. So these 2 points is what you should watch right here if we see a breakout on the resistance to the upside. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now on Ordi because of this pattern formation. So pay attention to this on this very chart. So a recap of today's video is that if you see a breakout on Ordi on the support, market is going to sell. And if you see a breakout on the resistance here, market is going to buy upward. And on apps right here, I am expecting market to come back to the downside for a sell-off. And on ETH, market have capacity of moving up a little bit and then look for short opportunity to the downside. And on BTC, market is going to come back down. Expect the market to come back down. Even though the market move up a little bit, market is still going to come back down. So look for short opportunity on futures. And on the 1-day chart, I am still expecting that this market come back down into this level of support. These are the things you need to watch right now on these various charts and get yourself ready for the next move in the market. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. And if you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $1,000 bonus on Bybit when you deposit with $100 and take a trade. All those links in the description of this very video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.